Cargo is the lifeblood of global trade, a term that encompasses everything transported by merchant ships, from raw materials to finished goods. Imagine a world without cargo. Shelves would be empty, industries would grind to a halt, and economies would falter. Cargo is not just about moving items, it's about connecting markets, cultures, and communities across the globe. Let's dive into what cargo really is. In simple terms, cargo refers to the goods carried on a ship, whether in containers, bulk, or as break bulk. It can be anything from grains and coal to electronics and automobiles. Each type of cargo has its own unique requirements for handling and transportation, which is crucial for ensuring that goods arrive safely and on time. The importance of cargo cannot be overstated. It fuels economies, supports jobs, and enables the flow of essential goods. For instance, consider how vital it is for food supplies to reach urban centers. Without efficient cargo transport, fresh produce would spoil before it even reaches the market. Similarly, industries rely on raw materials transported by sea to manufacture products. In essence, cargo is the backbone of commerce. Now, let's explore the main types of cargo. We generally categorize cargo into three primary types: bulk cargo, break bulk cargo, and containerized cargo. Bulk cargo includes commodities like oil, coal, and grains, which are transported in large quantities without packaging. Break bulk cargo, on the other hand, consists of individual items that are loaded and unloaded piece by piece, such as machinery or vehicles. Finally, containerized cargo is the most common today, where goods are packed into standardized containers, making loading and unloading efficient and secure. Each type of cargo requires specific handling techniques and equipment. For example, bulk carriers are designed to transport bulk cargo efficiently, featuring large holds and specialized unloading systems. Break bulk ships, while less common now, are equipped with cranes and other gear to handle the diverse range of items they carry. Container ships, the giants of the sea, are designed to maximize space and speed, allowing for quick turnaround times in ports. Speaking of ships, let's look at the types of merchant ships that carry cargo. There are several categories, each tailored to specific cargo types. Bulk carriers, as mentioned, are built for transporting bulk goods. Tankers are specialized for liquids, such as oil and chemicals, with reinforced hulls to prevent leaks. Then we have container ships, which are the workhorses of modern shipping, capable of carrying thousands of containers stacked high on their decks. Understanding the intricacies of cargo and the ships that transport it is essential for anyone interested in maritime studies or the shipping industry. The interplay between cargo types and ship design showcases the innovation and engineering that drive global trade. As we continue to rely on maritime transport, the importance of efficient cargo handling and shipping will only grow. In conclusion, cargo is more than just items on a ship. It's a vital component of our interconnected world. By grasping the different types of cargo and the ships that carry them, we gain insight into the complexities of global trade and the maritime industry. This knowledge not only fuels curiosity, but also prepares us for future advancements in shipping and logistics.